Hello, we're doing monsoon difficulty with builder. We're also using a few an additional mod from I think one of my videos. The new mod that I added to this pack was drone inherits items. Which that means I intend to get like an army of drones. First, more attack speed. I already set to every 2 levels. No, not every 2 levels. Every 5 levels. I don't like it like that. We're going back in. We're dumb to waste. There's already a stone titan nearby. You can't hit shit. Kobe. Wasn't very much of a Kobe, but still. Okay, drones inherit items. Missile pad. Bombs away. Hey, you're still alive. No, bad demon. Hey, cat. Hey, you better run. Do you mind? One bullet, 5% damage. That's actually really good. I heard you. I heard something spawn in. I knew I wasn't crazy. Wow, they're just bullying that guy. Harvester scythe. Correct? Yeah. Boy, fuck off. Damn! I was honestly satisfying to watch. Yeet. Kobe. That was a bit too far. Just a smidge. Bob the Builder, can he fix it if he's talking about you? No, he can't. I'm just kidding, everybody's perfect in their own ways. Well, not gonna deal with that. That's a healing John. It's gonna... Does it not inherit my items? Drone, do you inherit my items? Actually, there's only one test to really make sure that these things actually inherit my items. What is this? I don't want to deal with that. I don't know what that is. I'm not gonna deal with it. Seems to me like a cheat system, and I don't want to cheat in this game. I'm gonna hit your shots. Please be a green. 4. Back up. Back up. This is like Bandit, but like... This is like Bandit, but a builder. I know I paused for so long. What are you? You're a lunar pod. Nothing. I'm not gonna take anything from that. So one of my drones, my turrets just... The fuck are you? Overloaded Lumerian. Goodbye. Oh no, you're still alive. I'm gonna put you out of your misery. The least I can do. I thought he fell to his death. I don't think drones inherit items. I'm gonna have to find another drone in order to capture. Not capture, buy. Use. Okay, they do inherit my items. I thought it was the one test I needed to make sure. I don't really see many chests on this map. I built a wall in 3 seconds. But yet these guys keep getting just teleport through the walls apparently. No! I wanted to go down. Not that far. Alright, no damage. Okay, let's do something. God mode. Turn that thing off. I have no clue what any of these mods really do. Just trying to have fun. Record a video. Cooper. Go with this. Now, I'm gonna go combat right now. Then I'm just gonna sprint. I'm gonna have to put all my stuff over here. Ooh, dodge. Ooh, dodge. Ooh, dodge. Dodge. Dip. Dive. Dodge. Dip. Place turrets. So my turrets don't gain the thing, but... Okay, I see. My turrets don't gain it, but other turrets do. Bombs away. Oh, he's right behind me. Die, Beetle Queen, die. Pop, pop, pop. Pop. Oh, so that's what those resources mean. I have no idea what I made. But I did it. I'm not doing Bazaar's home. Bazaar's home would actually have been good, because I think there's stuff I can get there. You will see soon. Well, that's my turret. I want to see what this does. Infinite skills. Always princess can be good. Man, but what the fuck does that do? I need an enemy to test this on. It's just my gaming chair, guys. Trust me. It's just my gaming chair. No, okay. I can just give me all items? Pure inventory. Surprisingly enough, I actually want to see what this all does. What the fuck are you? Oh my god. Wow. Okay, to be honest, I just wanted to see what that did. Let's see if Builder can do it, because... Great. There's some strange turrets, but okay. No, let's go with Rainstorm for this one. That was only 15 minutes and we broke the game. Can I just, like, give myself... I can just give myself money. What are you? I don't know what you are. I'll give myself 999 of you. No. I will be immortal. Yo, what's shaking? I can just give myself items? Mokage. Mokage. I have no idea what these do. No. This is strange. I can just spawn something in. Let's spawn in a builder. Oh, that's actually cool. That's actually really cool. So, I'm gonna be a builder. Rocking a shotgun. Let's do easiest difficulty. Because I want to test this out. Because I realized this was a thing. Just spam builders. On my builder army. Oh, what? The builders are hostile. The builders are hostile. I didn't realize the builders were enemies. Or if you're thinking, yeah, builder army. No, not builder army. Builder death. Player count. I cannot. What does brain dead mean? What do you do? No brain dead. Player. What if I spawn in a builder? I can't have a builder army. Builder army. Builder army. Builder army. Builder army. Nothing lives. Nothing lives. Nothing lives. So let's throw a captain in there. Maybe like a few commandos. Let's even throw in an enforcer, an executioner, an engineer. Let's throw in another engineer. And why not another engineer? Let's throw in you. Can't forget about Huntress. Can't forget about Loader, Mercenary, or you, or you, or you, or you, or you, or you, or you. I don't even have Railgunner, surprisingly. Sniper. Now, I'm gonna spawn. Oh, I forgot about Bandit. Beetles are friendly. Where are you? Hey, Mithrix. Go kill things for me. Do my bidding. Added items. Let's see. Can I actually just? Brother, why? One sec. Let me get my auto clicker on. I don't even think this is kind of cheating, cause like, oh, crap. I need to switch my auto clicker keybind. hotkey setting. Let's switch it to F2. Instead of having it being F1. Actually, how many bullets I can shoot? I do have them! Oh, you said you wanted to live? Nah. Death. Death is the only way out. Let's throw in crap ton of those. Hell, maybe some ICBMs. Maybe some of these. Some brilliant behemoths. Fuck, let's throw in some Wungus, some of you, some Plimp. Cause why not? We'll throw in more of you. I'll even throw in you. Where is it? Where is it? Syringe! I think I'm strong enough to take on a boss. Ah, I forgot to get myself something. Where are you? There you are. I don't care about green reagent scrap. I'm gonna just give myself a lot of these leeching seeds. I say about 200 leeching seeds. Hey, drop it. I'll be right back. Okay, it was a chewing sock. I'm sorry, dogs. I realized it was a chewing sock. I apologize for that. Honestly, yeah, I want to see how much I can break the game. Like, I can get myself every item times 10, but like, what's the real worth in doing that when, like... I'm surprised you noticed that and not the 15 builders on my team. It's because apparently in the mod pack that we were using, there was something that allowed us to cheat. So now I'm taking full advantage of it, and I just want to see how much I can break the game. By the way, if you couldn't tell, I kinda gained the ability of flying, pretty much. I genuinely did not know this was in here. I'm gonna be completely honest with you, awesome. Damn! Neutral. Can I kill a loader? Fuck off, loader! Loader's unkillable! Oh, loader's dead. Loader's... I'm gonna turn aimbot off. Good morning, New York! Are ready to take on Mithrix? No, fuck you guys then. We're taking them on anyways. Oh no, a Mithrix is low. I am in the map. Screw it, I need more enforcers. Do the job, enforcers. If you don't... Can I kill everything? Brain dead. Kill all mobs. Kill all mobs. Kill all mobs! Ain't working. Kill. That was not what I was meaning. I didn't mean kill me, I meant kill them! Oh look, it's the Monsoon Trooper. I'm actually gonna pick a decent character and then just screw with them a lot. Are you still watching the stream? Awesome. You know what? Let's make this fair. Not neutral. Let's make this player. Let's find 2 Nemesis Commandos. 90 normal Commandos. And then 3 normal Commandos. We got the Death Squad right here. I want to see how many commandos it takes to break the game. Not break the game, but just... Damn! Okay, let's turn myself into a god real quick. Wow, so the max I can get is level 94. I can get myself some other things to make that go faster. 2, 4, 6, 8. So that will leave me with room time to do my own thing. How big's the blast radius gonna be on this? Yeet, yeet. Wait, I'm sorry, what? I am immortal! I need more bullets. Too weak. I think my game crashed. Note to self, don't right click. I gave myself a bit too many. God damn. Okay, let's just set myself to level 9. A player void. I'm a void. Oh. I wasn't expecting to be slaughtered on sight. Yo. Look at how sick he looks. Yeah, let's go with this. I'm gonna get myself an army of 5 Nemesis Commandos. Neutral? Yeah, we don't go around with that neutral stuff. We're a squad that just landed here. I'm their leader. But these guys are stupid. I can't even read what these say. Complete extermination of everything is inevitable, my friend. Screw it. Give myself $1 billion. I ain't got time. So now if I give myself a Nemesis Commando. Okay, so he doesn't get the same perks. What happens if I just spawn and say a missile drone? 100 missile drones! Go! I'm falling out of the map. They are coming through the map. Hey boss, I got a little surprise for you. We could use some backup magazines, like... Oh yes, this is totally normal. Exactly normal. Fuck off. Crowbar. I'm shooting too slow. More backup magazines. Not magazines. This. How much health do I gain from this? Damn! Not that much. Let's get myself a few brilliant behemoths. I'm gonna get myself like 100 H's. Oh no, I'm being shot. Whatever will I do? Oh hey look, it's a drone! It has the capability of annihilating God. Oh no, I'm still too slow. Whatever will I do? Where is he? Surprisingly enough, that wasn't quick enough. So where is it? Ah, there you are. Let's just hit you with 100 Armor-piercing rounds. You know, let's make it like maybe 150, 200. I'm gonna say 100 is good. Then I'm gonna get myself 100 of these. Have at thee, foul beast! Oh, if you didn't know, I, the force, to take on God himself. Go to Mithrix. I don't need these levels. Levels are what makes me weak. Bro, I'm slow. Let's just... $30. There you go. Just a moderate amount of movement speed and attack speed. You know how it is. POV, you're a hacker in Fortnite. Or any game, to be honest. Ooh. Ooh. I broke my ankles. I'm gonna get teleported down in a second, I think. Oh, there it is. Damn! So let's go down to Wungus. Wungus. I will never die with Wungus. He just got reduced to atoms. He really thought he could get the jump on me, and then he just got reduced. Gone. Reduced, gone. Reduced to atoms. Yum, yum. Yo, mythics can't even survive against me, so I'm just gonna call this good for a video.